Map growth, the student goal setting worksheet. The MAP test is given 3 times per year for grades K through 10 in the areas of reading and math. Students in grades 3 through 10 also take the science portion of the test. MAP is a computer adaptive test, which means every student receives a unique set of test questions based on the responses to previous questions. As the student answers questions correctly, the questions get harder. If the student answers incorrectly, the questions get easier. By the end of the test, most students will answer only about half of the questions correctly. Each student will receive a RIT score for each subject area they are tested in. The RIT score is the student's current instructional level and measures progress on a continuous scale. For example, a student in kindergarten with a math RIT score of a 138 and a student in the 2nd grade with a math RIT score of a 138 would both be at the same instructional level. Each student who takes the MAP test will have the student goal setting worksheet sent home to help keep parents and guardians up to date on the progress their child is making throughout the school year. We are going to look at the student goal setting worksheet and what the scores mean on the report. At the top of the page, you will find information about the test, the school, and when the student took the test. Just below that section, you will be able to find information about each subject tested. You will notice on the left side of the report a bar graph of how the student performed on the test along with their current RIT score. Also included will be the projected RIT score for the student indicated by the dotted line. The projected RIT score indicates how much growth is expected from the fall assessment to the spring assessment. Each time the student takes the assessment, a new bar graph will show up and you can see how your child is progressing throughout the school year. On the left side of the page, you will see the student's overall RIT score along with information on how your child performed in each area of the test. The areas highlighted in green indicate an area of relative strength for the student. The areas highlighted in yellow indicate an area of weakness. You will notice on the reading section of the report, a Lexile range will be provided for your child. A Lexile level is the range of an individual's reading level or text readability level. The Lexile level is one way to report a student's reading level. At the bottom of each section, you will see My Goal and the Student Action Plan. This section allows the student to set their own goal for the next MAP assessment. The Student Action Plan allows the student to write how they will reach their goal. Students should pay attention to the areas indicated in yellow since they are weaknesses for the student to help them reach their goal. For additional information on the assessment, Lexile levels, and resources to help support your child at home, visit the Beebe School District's webpage at www.bbadgers.org. From the menu option, select NWEA MAP Assessment under Curriculum Instruction.